Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix feature photos not showing on your profile on Facebook. As you can see right here, I don't have the feature photos on my profile. If you want to bring that back, what you have to do is to click on this three-dot menu. Click on turn off professional mode. You can't have professional mode turned on and still have feature photos on Facebook, so turn it off. Click on continue. Click on turn off. As you can see right here, it says professional mode turned off successfully. Now click on close. Go back to your profile and refresh. Now your feature photos will be back. So that's how you fix feature photos not showing on your profile on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.